Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use OpenAI's Chat GPT to write better video descriptions and titles for your YouTube videos. So I have a little YouTube channel here where I make videos that show people how to do some of the tasks that I do every day for our clients. Simple tasks like automating sending Facebook leads to an email using Zapier, more complicated tasks on how to optimize Google campaigns and Facebook campaigns. I'll frequently make a video that shows step by step what it is that I do. And then I upload that video here to YouTube, as you can see here. Here's this one. And I write a title and a description. Now, I'm not the best at writing these descriptions and titles, and I think a lot of people struggle with that. Sometimes when you're so close to the task or the business that it can be hard to describe those things. I find most of the time I can write great descriptions and I can write great ad copy for any other business other than my own almost. And I think a lot of people also deal with that. And again, it's almost like the closer you are to something, the more you have a harder time describing it. So using Chat GPT, it's a great way to overcome this. And I wouldn't recommend just copy and pasting exactly what Chat GPT puts out. You're going to want to go through it and make sure that it's accurate and maybe put your own spin on it a little bit. But it does do a very good job. So I wanted to show you, here's the description that I came up with for automating Facebook leads to be sent by email. So the goal is somebody goes to Google, they type in, how do I automatically get my Facebook leads out of Facebook so I don't have to log in and download them. This video comes up, shows them step-by-step how to do it. So that's the title. This is the description. If you're running a Facebook lead gen campaign using instant forms, you'll want to set up this integration. Here's step-by-step instruction using Zapier. And I give a little bit of an explanation of what Zapier is. So I go into Chat GPT and I just simply asked it, write a video description for a YouTube video that shows people I even messed this up a little bit. That shows people how leads generated by their Facebook lead gen campaign can be automatically sent to their email or a client's email using Zapier. And this is what it came up with. As you can see, it's a lot more in-depth, 4 short paragraphs, much more detailed, and frankly better than what it is that I came up with. Welcome to our tutorial, how to automatically send Facebook lead gen campaign leads to your email using Zapier. I won't bother you reading the whole thing. If you want, you can pause the video and read this for yourself, but it is a lot more detailed than what it is that I came up with. But one thing I'm going to do is, I don't think it said much. Zapier is that explains kind of what Zapier is, and I do want to keep a little bit of that. So if you're running, just scan through this real quick. Okay, so I went through it, I made a couple tweaks, I added a little more information. I wanted to keep this blurb here just in case somebody's like, what is Zapier? Like, if you have no idea what this is and you're just like, look, I set up my first Facebook lead gen campaign. I have, no clue what you're even talking about. I kind of give a blurb on what is Zapier, Zapier.com, what it can do. Add a little bit more, and then I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to say, write a catchy video title for this. And it writes, so I can say effortlessly organize your Facebook lead gen campaign leads with Zapier, step-by-step guide. I'm going to say, write it to focus more on So that's perfect. The great thing about this Chat GPT is you interact with it differently than you typically interact with a computer. So you would never put this into Google and hit search. It would give you a bunch of nonsense back. But with Chat GPT, you do use it. You interact with it almost like you're interacting with a person, which is really different, and it's really interesting to do. And it gives you, I've been using it for a little while now. It just came out, I think, like end of November, and I've been toying around with it and finding more and more uses that, it just makes this so much more effortless. I don't have to, spend half an hour or 20 minutes thinking of how do I write this video description. It just really, frees up a lot of time. And we'll put it in here, so it's under 100 characters. Automatically send. Okay, I think that's good and descriptive. And click save, and then that's it. And that is how I've been toying around with using Chat GPT to create better titles and descriptions for my YouTube videos. Hope you got some value out of this. Thanks so much.